ready? Okay. So now, let's proceed to the first clue. Next slide, please. Okay, so I am hard and keep my own shape, like a rock or a chair. Again, I am hard and keep my own shape, like a rock or a chair. Yes, Freya Amara.
Solid po, teacher.
Again,
Solid.
solid. Okay, so next slide, please. Let us see. Okay, so it is solid. Good job, Freya Amara. And the next one, the next clue. Next slide, please. Okay, so the clue is I can flow and take the shape of my container, like water or juice. Again, I can flow and take the shape of my container, like water or juice. Okay, so may I call on Angeline?
Liquid. Liquid.
Okay, liquid. Okay, can I see also your answers here? It is liquid. All right, so let's check if it is a liquid. Next slide, please. All right, so good job, Angeline. So it is a liquid. So let's proceed to the next clue. Next slide, please. Okay, so the clue is I spread out and you can feel me, but not see me like air. Again, I spread out and you can feel me, but not see me like air. Okay, so may I call on Lady?
Hello. Hello. It's gas
Hello,
po.
Lady. Okay, so is it a gas? Okay, so I can see also your answers here in the chat box that it is a gas. Okay, so it is a gas. Good job, lady. So let's proceed to the next clue. Next slide, please. Okay, so the clue is I am very, very small and make up everything around you. Again, I am very, very small and make up everything around you. It starts with the letter P.
Yes.
Starts with the letter P. You can
I
guess.
know the thingy, but I forgot the name.
Okay. Remember. Hinumdumi ko unsa to nga word. Okay, so I am very small and make up everything around you.
E.
Okay, so if okay, so may I call on Seth? Seth Adam?
No.
Okay, so what's your answer, Seth Adam?
Um,
Answer when?
blood,
Again?
blood,
It starts with letter P.
blood,
Louder, oy. The teacher cannot understand this. Louder.
blood,
Okay, so what's that again?
blood.
Blood. Okay, so it's not blood. Okay, so I will call another one. Kirthea. Hello, Kirthea.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes.
It's particles. It smells like egg
Okay.
here.
Okay, so
Particles.
is it Okay. So is it a particles? Let us check. Next slide, please. Okay, so it is a particle. Very good. Now, the last clue. Next slide, please. I am the three forms of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. Again, I am the three forms of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so may I call Demaris? Hello, Demaris? Okay, so I will call another one. Ara Crystal.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, okay, okay. I will call you later na lang, Ara Crystal. Okay, so Demaris, what's your answer? I am the three forms of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. It is three words. Again?
I'm here.
Okay. So I am the three forms of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. Okay, so let's call for a help. Um, may I call on Freya Elise?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I am the three forms of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas.
Mass.
Mass?
Yeah.
No.
Ah.
Try again. Okay, so it starts with S. It is a three words, and it starts with the letter S. Okay, so I can see here in the chat box, it is a state of matter. How about the others? Is it a state of matter? Okay. All right, so I can see here in the chat box. Okay, so let's reveal. Next slide, please. All right, so it is a state of matter. So now, I want you to prepare your materials because we were going to have an activity. Next slide, please. Okay. So please prepare your materials. Can I see your materials?
Teacher, how many vinegar?
Half cup,
How many?
half cup of vinegar. All right. So next
I don't know
slide,
how to measure
please.
that.
Can you do a bana-bana?
Teacher, what does that mean? Bana.
Just like this, half cup of vinegar. Okay, so I have also here the materials. So I will show you. Okay.
Excuse me, Teacher Daniela. Eliza, it's like
Yeah.
estimate. Bana is like estimate. So you just need to estimate it, Eliza.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
All right. So I have here also the materials. So I have here a plastic water bottle and a cup, a half cup of vinegar, a funnel, and a balloon.
Excuse me,
Yes.
teacher. Is it okay to have baking soda?
Again.
Is it okay to I don't have
I can't
baking
hear you
soda.
clearly. Baking soda, yes. We need also baking soda.
Okay.
Here, I have also here. Okay, so do you have your materials now?
Not yet.
Okay. So I will give you time until. Okay, so can you please say
I have my
complete
materials.
already? Okay. So
Complete.
for others, please say complete if you have now the materials.
Complete.
All right. How about the others? Do you have the materials now? Okay, so I can see here Chime, Phoenix, Angeline, Ara Cristal, Demaris, Freya Amara, Freya Elise, Lady Arabella, Pearl Joy, Aliyah, and how about the others? Can you open your camera so that I can see if you have the materials now? Okay. So, okay, so now let's start the activity. So for the first step, using a funnel, place 2 tablespoons of baking soda inside the balloon. Okay?
One teacher.
Okay. So using a funnel, place 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, here I have mine.
Teacher, can you like see it? I'm done po. I don't know how.
Okay, I am opening my camera. Just find kaan, just find my video and then pin it.
I cannot see
Okay?
it.
It's Daniela Grace Solar. Just find my name and then pin it. Okay?
Teacher, just a little of a baking soda or all of it?
2 tablespoons only. Alright, so are you done? Kuan, kanang pagbutang sa tablespoon of baking soda sa balloon?
No. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so just
Teacher,
make
we put it
sure.
inside the balloon? I thought we put it
Yes.
inside the bottle.
No, I said put it in the balloon. And then just make sure the baking soda or the baking powder fits inside the balloon. So here, I have
Sure, is it
my
okay if there's
baking
some
powder.
on the bottle? Teacher, doing the first
It's on the bottle.
Teacher, I'm done doing the first step. Teacher.
Okay. Yes. Can you do it again if you have nabutang na nimo sa kuan sa plastic water bottle? Okay, so here, if you don't have a balloon, you cannot perform the activity, but you can do it later if you have a balloon.
Teacher, are we supposed to also do it in the bottle or only in the balloon? Teacher, is it okay if there's some baking soda inside the bottle?
No, can you kuan kanang redo it again? Because we need the
I'm
baking
done with
soda
the
inside the balloon. Okay.
Teacher.
So,
Teacher, I already put in the balloon. There's only very little in the bottle. It's super tight.
okay. Okay, so one by one only, please. Okay, so I have here. Okay, so please mute your mics. Okay. So here I have mine. So inside the balloon, I have the baking soda or the baking powder. So now let's set aside the balloon. So next slide, please. Okay, so second step is carefully put the half cup of vinegar inside the water bottle. Okay, so carefully.
Like,
Okay. Okay, using a funnel also. Okay, so I have here. Okay. So here, can you see it, mine?
Dili, I can't see it. And
yes
teacher,
po.
my half, it's so little. My half, it's so little.
I said half cup. Half cup of vinegar.
Teacher, is this okay?
Where?
This one.
Who's talking again?
Me, teacher.
Wait, I'll find you.
Is this okay?
Oh,
Teacher,
yes, that's okay.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. All right, so are you done
Dili,
putting the half cup of vinegar?
dili, teacher.
Yes po.
My half cup is so small.
Yes.
Half?
Is this okay?
It's so small.
Teacher, is this
Okay, so let's.
Entire glass.
Teacher,
Yes,
is this okay?
yes. Yes. So let's just try if it works. Kanang sa small amount of vinegar.
Is this
All
okay?
right, so
Teacher, is this okay?
yes.
Is this okay?
Yes. All right, so now let's proceed to the next step. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so the third step, gently place the balloon in the mouth of the plastic water bottle. Here. Slowly but surely. All right,
Teacher, like how?
like this.
Teacher, I don't have balloon.
Teacher, what was the second step?
Place the vinegar.
This is gonna be
Using a
fun.
funnel, place the vinegar
Teacher,
inside the
like this.
plastic water bottle.
Teacher, like
Yes, like that.
Like this, teacher.
Yes. Yes, like that. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. Again.
The baking soda will fall, Mom.
Wait.
Teacher, can you wait? I'm having a hard time.
Yes. Let's wait for the others.
I can see your screen like this.
Mommy, you don't have materials.
Teacher, I did it.
Okay. Okay, so let's wait for the others.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, how about the others? Are you done?
I don't want to make different way.
No, teacher.
I'm done,
Not
teacher.
done.
Okay. Okay, so carefully place the balloon, ha? Ay! Okay, so carefully place the
I'm done now,
balloon.
teacher.
Okay. Okay, so you're done now? Okay. So now, next slide, please.
meant to be bubbling because it's mine's bubbling.
Yes, let's just wait. So now the fourth step is tie the balloon into the opening of the plastic water bottle like this and observe what will happen to the balloon after tying the balloon.
I can't see your camera. It's all for me.
How about the others? Can you see me or can you see my screen?
So I can't see you. Teacher, I can see you. I cannot see you, teacher. Okay, now you have a
Okay.
white. Teacher, you have a white balloon on yours.
Okay. Okay, so for those dili makakita sa ako is try to search my name here in the participants and then pin it. Click more and then pin. Okay, so now let's proceed. So here I have mine here. So now let us do it like this. And observe what will happen to the balloon. All right, so did your balloon
Teacher, I don't
inflate?
understand.
Why?
Teacher, man, the
Do I
balloon
have to
doesn't
tie
fit to the
it?
what
It
the
did.
bottle.
Again?
Teacher,
Okay, just one by one, please.
teacher, I can't see your screen. I checked. I can't see your screen. It said when I go to participant, it says your screen is off. Look at mine.
Off? I have two accounts here. Daniela Grace Solar. You can see it in the
Teacher, I'm so
participants.
scared.
If I okay.
Teacher,
Okay, so observe the balloon.
teacher,
Yes.
my balloon doesn't fit. Can't tie it to the water bottle. The plastic one. It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. Okay,
Yeah.
so can you just stretch it kanang slowly? Okay, just stretch it slowly.
Teacher, the
Okay.
vinegar and the baking soda became cold.
Cold, yes. All right, so observe the balloon. So niburot na ba ang inyong balloon?
Not yet.
Yeah. Yes, it's
so
flying
small.
right now.
Yeah. It's so nice, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Teacher, it made me kind of scared
Teacher,
because
like
I thought it was
this?
gonna pop.
Teacher, like this.
Yes.
Teacher,
Mine's not yet flying.
Okay.
Mine's still
So
not
does
flying.
your balloons float? Or I mean
Mine's
inflate?
not yet. Mine's not yet.
Not yet. Maybe you put a little vinegar.
Teacher, do we have
Okay.
to, what do you call this?
Restart.
Okay, so one by one, please. Okay, so for those who don't have a balloon, you can do it at home if you have a balloon. Just ask for a guidance, yes?
Teacher, is it supposed to inflate a lot? Because mine didn't inflate that a lot because it's hard to blow. This one because it sticks.
Yes. So it's
Teacher,
supposed to inflate like that.
balloons, what do you call it? Inflated.
Okay, so please mute your mic.
Observed, the more vinegar, the more it inflates. It's gonna pop. There's more hydrogen dioxide.
All right. So now, let's proceed na. Okay, so please mute your mics.
Look at the balloon of them.
Okay,
Doing the
Kate,
flying.
Aya.
What?
All right, so now, for those kanang wala pa na human is just take your time. And for those kanang ni-inflate na ang ilahang balloon is observe the balloon. All right. So now, which of the materials did you use are considered solid, liquid, or gas? Again, which of the materials did you use are considered solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, so can I have Phoenix?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so which of the materials did you use are considered solid, liquid, or gas?
The vinegar is liquid. The balloon and the water bottle is solid, and then when you mix the vinegar and the baking soda, inside of the balloon is air or gas.
All right. So thank you for that, Phoenix. So Phoenix is correct. So this plastic water bottle is the solid, and the vinegar is the liquid, and the air inside the balloon is the gas. So now, how can you group things as solids, liquids, or gases by looking at their properties like shape and volume? Again, how can you group things as solid, liquids, and gases by looking at their properties like shape and volume? So can I have lady?
When you pour the vinegar into the bottle, first the liquid. When you pour the vinegar in the bottle, it takes the shape of the bottle. Then for the solid, I use it for like the solid is the bottle. Or you can use this. And the gas is the balloon.
All right.
Shape of a balloon. Okay.
All right. So thank you for that, lady. So lady is correct. And now, what change did you notice to the balloon after tying it with a plastic water bottle? Again, what change did you notice to the balloon after tying it with a plastic water bottle? Okay, so can I have Chime? Hello, Chime.
The balloon inflated.
All right, so the balloon inflated. All right, so thank you for that. So now, do you have a paper or a pencil beside you? Okay, so
Yes.
but first, okay. So first, just set aside the activities na dili siya matumba. I mean the water bottle. Okay, so now get your paper and a pencil.
Can I use my notebook?
Yes, you can use your notebooks or a bond paper or any kind of paper. All right, so can I hear ready if you have now a paper and a pencil?
Teacher, I'm still looking because I'm still
Ready. Ready po.
Okay.
my balloon's not flying yet.
Ready.
Maybe try to add a lot of vinegar or a half cup of vinegar because your vinegar is kanang so small ra pud ba? Is it okay, Freya Alice?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so just can you do it later?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now I want you to answer this one. Next slide, please. All right. So here, I want you to answer this on your paper. Okay, so the question is, why is it important to classify objects as solid, liquid, or gas? And explain in 2 to 3 sentences. All right, so answer this one because I will be giving you until 8:42.
Teacher, I'm still trying to find my pencil.
Okay, so just take your time.
Teacher, what's the first one?
What are you on?
What's the
First
first
one?
one?
I'm gonna use my
Please.
notebook or paper.
Yes, notebook or a paper.
Wait.
We only have one question.
We only have
Okay,
one
so
question.
answer now. Yes.
Okay, wait.
Okay, so answer now. I will be giving you until
This is the first
8:42.
question.
Yes, we only have a one question. So this one, as you can see in
Teacher,
the screen.
can I
Yes.
pee?
Yes.
Teacher, is it okay if I use ball pen?
Yes, it is okay. Okay, so answer now because I will be giving you until 8:42 and it is 8:40. And once you're done, just say I'm done, teacher. Okay, so just take your time answering because you still have 1 minute.
I'm just gonna write number 1 and then write the answer. Done, teacher.
Yes.
Done, teacher. Done, teacher too.
Okay.
Done,
Let's
teacher.
wait for the
I just
others,
started,
okay?
teacher.
Again?
Wait.
Okay, so you're done now.
I just started, teacher.
Okay. Can you take a picture?
I still don't have a phone.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so let's just wait for the others. Okay,
You
so
share in
it
the Google
is.
Classroom.
Yes, we will post it in the Google Classroom. If you
Okay,
cannot finish it now, we will going to post it in the Google Classroom.
okay.
Okay. How about the others? Are you done answering?
Gonna be list as an assignment.
Again?
Is it gonna be this bad?
I am not yet teacher because
Yeah.
I am trying to find my pencil.
Teacher, is this gonna be
Okay.
an assignment?
It's not an assignment, but it's like a quiz or an activity. I mean,
What due date is it then? Is it gonna be?
okay. So for those who are still answering or not yet done, we will going to post this on our Google Classroom so that you can finish it answering and then submit it sa Google Classroom or sa amo ang Messenger accounts. Okay?
Teacher. What's
Okay,
gonna
so
be
is it clear?
what is gonna be
Yes?
the bed? What is
Again?
the date of it?
I can't hear you clearly.
What is it gonna be like the day of it?
Yes. Okay, so let's proceed now. Okay, so for those who are not yet done, we're going to post it on the Google Classroom.
When we're having a class, can we just do it
Teacher.
and go finish?
Teacher. I can see
Yes.
Nakalos is playing Roblox.
Okay, so stop playing Roblox and let's focus on our
Alright, I'm back.
class today. Okay, so now let's proceed na. Okay, so next slide please. Alright, so now we will going to talk about the physical properties of solid, liquid, and gas materials. So everything around us is made of matter, which can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. And the matter is made up of very tiny particles, and these particles are so small that we cannot see them with naked eyes. And then matter can be found in three different states: the solid, liquid, and a gas. So later on, we were going to discover about the solid, liquid, and gas. So now I have here a video and I want you to watch and observe the video carefully.
Smile and learn.
Oof, it's so hot. Hey there! I'm making some strawberry popsicles. It's steaming hot today, and I really wanted to have one. But for them to stay solid, I'd have to put them in the freezer like these ones and wait for a while. Really? You don't know what a solid is? It's one of the states of matter. Don't worry, I'll tell you all about them right away. Matter, the substance all things are made of, exists in three states: liquid, like this strawberry juice; solid, like this popsicle; and gas, like the water vapor coming out of this pot. Everything we drink is in its liquid state. Matter, in its liquid state, takes on the shape of the container and its volume always stays the same. Particles are separated and can move freely. Can you see how they're moving? They look like they're dancing. The popsicles we eat are solid. Matter in its solid state is characterized by having a fixed shape and volume. Particles are held together in an organized structure. See? Lastly, the gaseous state. The vapor coming out of the pot is a gas. Matter in its gaseous state can change its volume and shape, taking up the space of its container. See? Particles are well separated and can move freely. Look, they move like crazy. Did you get the idea? Let's recap a little. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid matter has a definite shape and volume. Particles are well organized and held closely together. Liquid matter takes on the shape of its container, occupying always the same space. Besides, particles are separated and can move freely. Gas matter doesn't have a fixed shape or volume. Its particles are well separated and can move freely. That is all about states of matter. Very interesting, isn't it? Well, I'm leaving now. I won't sell any popsicles if I don't. See you around.
Alright, so now as you can see in the video, there are three states of matter. So we have the solid, liquid, and gas. So now let's go to next slide, please. Alright, so let's discover first about the solid. So next slide, please. Alright, so solid, it has a definite shape and volume. So the force of attraction between molecules is referred to as how strong the molecules are held together. So as you can see in the picture, the molecules is like sobra kadikit. So it kanang sobra kadikit, the molecules cannot move freely. So that's why it makes it a solid, because the molecules do not have enough space to roam around or to move around. So that is as solid. But there are special properties of solid. So let's proceed to next slide, please. All right, so there are five special properties of solids. The first one is the hardness, malleability, brittleness, elasticity, and strength. So now let's go to hardness. Next slide, please. Okay, so may I call on Aliyah to read what is hardness?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please read what is hardness.
Hardness is the property of solid matter to resist scratching or ab- abrasion.
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 Okay, so thank you for that, Aliyah. So hardness is a property of solid matter that resists from scratching. So hardness is dili magasgas or like gahi like a rock or like a diamond. So a diamond is dili siya magasgas, but we can use diamond to cut a thing or to cut materials or an object. So hardness is dili siya magasgas or kanang gahi. Alright, so let's proceed to malleability. Next slide, please. Okay, so may I call on Freya Elise?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please read what is malleability.
Is the ability of materials to be pressed, hammered, or rolled into various shapes and sizes without breaking.
Alright, so malleability is the ability of materials to be pressed or like manipis and then can be hammered like madukduk like a gold. So we can press and hammer the gold, I mean, and then roll into various shapes like the ring. We can roll it like a ring. So here I have here a ring. So so this is an example of malleability. And then malleability is pwedeng mabaw, manipis, or mahimong earrings. Alright, so malleability is ang materials is pwede siyang ma-press, hammered, and rolled into various shapes. Alright, so for the example of that is malleability. I mean gold. Alright, so let's proceed to brittleness. Next slide, please. Okay, so brittleness is the tendency of a material to be easily broken into pieces. So, brittleness is like dali mabuak or pwedeng mabuak. So, brittleness, for example of a brittleness is a glass, or here as you can see in the picture, a glass of bottle or a bottle glass. And then, there are a lot of example na pwedeng mabuak. It's either plates or a plato, and then a glass of cup or a cup of glass, I mean. All right, so let's proceed to the next one, which is, next slide, please. Okay, so elasticity. May I call on Felicity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please read what is elasticity.
Elasticity is the property of solid materials to be stretched when pressure is applied to them.
All right, so elasticity is a property of solid materials to be stretched when pressure is applied. So for example of this is a rubber band or a pugong for girls. So that is an example of elasticity. And elasticity, I mean, is mabinat or ma-stretch but mabalik ra gyapon siya sa original shape. So here in the picture, it is a stretch rubber bands. And after we stretch rubber bands, it will still mabalik sa iyang original shape, which is a circle. Alright, so remember, elasticity can be stretched but pabalik ra gihapon sa original shape. Alright, so let's proceed to the next special properties, which is strength. Next slide, please. Okay, so strength, it determines how durable the material is. So strength in Bisaya pa is kalig-on. So here we can see a metal. So metals have strength or very lig-on kada siya. So we can see like the Mactan Bridge or the Silex Bridge. So it is consists of metal. So the Mactan Bridge or the Silex Bridge have strength. So it is durable. Alright, so now let us discover about, next slide please. Okay, so let us discover about the liquids. Okay, so next slide please. Okay, so may I call on Franz?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please read what is liquid.
It takes the shape of the container. The force of attraction among the molecules is weaker than solid. The
Molecules.
molecules in liquid are farther apart from each other.
Okay, so thank you for that, Franz. So liquid, as you can see in the picture, is naa na siya space ginagmay. So the molecules can move na, but not too much move. So in the solid, there is no space for the molecules to move, but in the liquid, there is a small space that the molecules can move. So a liquid, it takes the shape of their container. So like the activity we had earlier. So the vinegar is the liquid and then it takes the shape of the container, like which is the plastic water bottle. So that's why it have a shape na. And then okay, so now let's proceed to the next one, which is the some properties of liquids. All right, so next slide please. Okay, so there are two properties of liquids. So the first one is liquids may dissolve some solids. Alright, so it means that liquids is pwede siyang makadissolve og solids or pwede siyang makahilis. Okay, so for the example is kanang dissolving sugar in water or like powder. If you put a powder or for example, it's like a milk. And then if you put the powdered milk in the cup of water is mahilis na ang milk. So that is an example of liquids may dissolve some solids. Alright, so let's proceed to the next properties. Next slide, please. Alright, so some liquids like water flow easily, and other liquids like oil flow very slowly. So liquids that flow very slowly are described as viscous. Okay, so as you can see here in the picture is we have here a water And then we have also here a honey. So a water is mo-flow siya agad-agad or mo-flow siya dayon. While the honey is mo-flow siya but slowly. So, and also like oil, solid siya, liquid siya, pero slowly ra siya mo-flow. Igyabo na to sa oil. So, can you see a oil? Kanang if ato iyabo ang oil? Have you seen a oil na nga kuan? Kanang giyabo? Can you send me a heart reactions? If nakakita na mog oil nga giyabo? Alright, so I can see here nga nakakita na mo. Okay, so next slide please. But what is viscosity? Alright, so next slide please.
Teacher told me to read something.
Oh, okay, so viscosity. Okay, hello, France, please. Hello, France.
Yeah?
Okay, so please read what is viscosity.
Is the resistance of a liquid to flow the
Molecules.
The molecules in a viscous material are strongly attached to each other.
Okay, so thank you for that. So viscosity is the resistance of a liquid to flow. Like the honey. So ang honey, if imo na siya iyabo, slowly ra gyud na siya mo flow. Dili siya like pas-pas mo flow, but slowly. So there are strongly attached to each other if dili siya mabuwag-buwag, but mo flow siya slowly ra gyud. Unlike sa water is after na mo iyabo is magbuwag-buwag na siya and pas-pas kay na siya mo flow. So that is the difference between the water and the honey, which is a honey is under viscosity. All right, so let's proceed to and discover the next states of matter, which is, next slide please, the gas. All right, so let's discover about gas. Next slide please. Okay, so may I call on Freya Amara?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please read what is gas.
Gas have definite mass even though with no definite shape and volume. The molecules are farther apart compared to those in liquids.
Okay, so thank you for that. So gas have definite mass even though with no definite shape and volume. So we cannot see gas, but we can see it like sa activity na to ganina is sa balloon. We can see the gas inside the balloon. And as you can see here in the picture, the molecules are farther apart compared to those in liquids. So in gas, there are enough space to move or for the molecules to move or to roam around. So that makes it a gas. So let's remember that a solid have no space for the molecules to move and the liquid is naa siya kanang gamay space for the molecules to move, and then sa gas is naa siya enough space for the molecules to move, so that makes it a gas. All right, so next slide please. Okay, so molecules bounce off and move in every direction. So the force of attraction between the molecules is too weak to hold them close. All right, so here the molecules is tungod sa kanang naa na siya enough space to move, is ang mga molecules is mag move in every direction or in in different direction. And then the force of attraction between the molecules is dili na siya makahold them closely, so that's why it makes it a gas. So the molecules can move around and move in every direction. All right, so here I have also an example of gas. So next slide, please. Okay, so I have here an air. Okay, so air, it is colorless, tasteless, and invisible. It is a mixture of several gases such as oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, and many more. It can be squeezed or compressed. So, ang air, so if ang gas, dili na to makita. So, ang air, dili po na to ni siya makita. But, we can see it if, like for example, sa balloon, we can see it in the balloon or in the inflatable pool. So, we can see the air inside it. Alright, so, dili na to makita ang gas itself, but makita na to if naa na sulod sa object like a balloon. So we will know that naay air inside the balloon. All right, so can you give me a heart reaction if you are still with me? Okay. Okay, so you are still with me. So now we also have here other examples of gas. Next slide, please. Okay, so we have here other example of gas. We have a smoke, natural gas, and natural gases. So smoke is makita na to siya, but it is I don't try kaan papud smoke, but I'm not encouraging you to try smoke, but we can see a smoke. And a natural gas is we can also see a natural gas if kanang magluto na at paang parents. So here also is a natural gases. So we can see it in the kitchen if mag-prepare na og food to ang parents. So they can use the natural gases to cook some food. All right. So is everything clear? Can I see a wow reaction? If everything is clear? Okay. How about the others? Is everything clear? Okay. Okay, so now, based on our discussions, what tiny parts make up everything we see around us? Again, what tiny parts make up everything we see around us? Okay, so can I have Pearl Joy? Hello, Pearl Joy?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what tiny parts make up everything we see around us?
Particles.
All right, particles. Very good. Now another student. I will call another student. Can I have 30? Hello, 30?
Hello.
Okay. Okay, so I have here, how do these tiny parts move in solids, liquids, and gases?
Uh, what did you say?
Again, how do these tiny parts move in solids, liquids, and gases?
Um, later.
Okay, so I will call another Angeline. Hello, Angeline.
Teacher, what again?
Okay, so how do these tiny parts or the molecules move in solids, liquid, and gases? Katong magagmay-gagmay nga circle.
Particles.
Yes? Okay, so how does it move in solids, liquid, and gases? So natong tiny parts or the molecules sa solids, maunsa man siya if daghan ba og space para makalihok ang solids or gamay bag space or na siya enough space. Okay, so hello again, Angeline. Okay, so I will call another. Yes, lady.
Hi.
Okay. So, lady, how do these tiny parts or the molecules move in solids, liquids, and gases?
So in solids, it just stays still. In liquids, it just move a little bit or can move freely. In gases, it just moves entirely free.
All right. So, thank you for that, lady. So, lady is correct. So, in solids, the molecules doesn't have enough space to move, and the liquids is na siya gamay nga space. And the gases is there is enough space for the molecules to move. All right, so another student, what signs can you look at to know if something is a solid or liquid or gas? Again, what signs can you look at to know if something is a solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, so may I call on Freya Amara?
Teacher.
Okay, so what signs can you look at to know if something is a solid, liquid, or gas?
By look by classifying which is solid, liquid, and gas.
All right, so thank you for that, Freya Amara. Good job. And now I can see that you understand our discussion. So we were going to have another activity. May I call on teacher Althea?
Okay, thank you so much for that, Teacher Daniela. Okay, once again, good morning, grade 3.
Good
Morning, teacher.
Good morning,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, so now here I have a scenario and I will read it to you, and I want you to analyze the scenario very carefully, okay? So the scenario is you are about to go to school. You look for your bag, you're drinking water, and you take a deep breath. Again, the scenario is you're about to go to school and then you look for your bag. You're drinking water and you take a deep breath. So the question is, but imagine if one of these is missing, what will happen to you? If one of these things will be missing, what will happen to you? Can I have volunteers? What if one of your things, your bag, your drinking water is missing? What will happen to you? Okay, can I have Lady Arabella?
Hello.
Okay, hello lady. Okay, I want you to imagine if one of these is missing, what will happen to you?
So which one is missing?
One of them, example, your bag or your drinking water.
Okay.
Okay, what will happen, man?
if you don't have your breath, then you will not be
Yes.
like kind of ready.
Yes.
You won't be like, you will be nervous. You have to like ready yourself or warm up.
Yes. Very good. No, if you cannot take a deep breath, no, dili ka ma-ready to go to school, no? You will not be ready to go to school. And then I have also, thank you for that, Arabella lady. Now I have here, was it Freya Elise? Can you please unmute your mic?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please tell us your answer here in chat box?
I accidentally deleted it.
Okay, sige. You can share it with us.
Wait, I lost it because I deleted it.
Okay, can you still remember?
No.
Okay, okay, thank you for that. How about you, Pearl Joy? What will happen, man, if one of these things is missing?
If we don't have a bag, that means
Yes.
we cannot put our stuff in there.
Yes, very good. Thank you for that, Pearl Joy. And now, why do you think or why are solids, liquids, and gases important in our daily life, especially at home and when we go to school? Why do you think these are kanang important man sa toa? Can I have, okay? Okay, can I have here Demi?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so again, why are solids, liquids, and gases important in our daily life?
So if liquid was gone, you would dehydrate to death.
Yes, very good. No, we'll be dehydrated. Thank you so much. And I can also read here. Was it Romeo? Chime. Yes, Chime. Why are solids, liquids, and gases important in our daily life? Chime. I can read here.
Every day.
Correct, because we use them every day. We cannot live, no, without air. No, we cannot live without solids, our food, liquids, our water, right? So if one of these is missing, we'll have a hard time. Have a hard time living our life. And without our bag, we cannot bring our things, as what Pearl said. And without our water, we'll feel thirsty. We'll be dehydrated, right? And without air, of course, we cannot breathe, right? So solids, liquids, and gases are important in our daily life because we need them to live, to work, to go to school, and of course, to stay healthy every day. So thank you so much for participating, grade 3. And now, do you have any questions or clarifications from the discussion of teacher Daniela? Was it clear to you? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Okay, I can see here Lady Arabella. How about the others? How about Freya Elias? Can see here Eliza. How about the others? How about Sean? Was it clear, Sean? Franz? Okay, Pearl Joy, thumbs up. And now, if you don't have any question or clarification, I want you. Okay, I can read here Jarkisha's answer. I'll read it for you. Okay, if I don't see my bag, I can't put anything in my bag. I have to go see it. Yes. So now, if you don't have any questions or clarifications from the discussion of teacher Daniela, now I want you to get a paper or your notebook and a pencil or a ball pen because we'll have a short quiz. Okay, it's quiz time. Now I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute to
Teacher,
ready.
excuse me,
Material.
teacher. Can I put
So,
can I put in the same paper as that activity we're doing for the question that the teacher did. Can I
Yes.
put in the same paper? Because there's still
Yes,
a lot
yes.
of room.
Yes, yes, yes. Just indicate their quiz,
Excuse
okay?
me, teacher.
Okay, yes, Ara.
Put quiz time. When teacher Daniela was discussing that, should I send the one like with the like quiz?
Yes. We'll
Okay.
just post the Google classwork later on, okay? And for now, I want you to ready your paper, your pencil, or your ballpen, or your notebook because we'll have a quiz. And for our quiz, teacher will only read it twice. Again, I need you to listen very, very carefully because teacher will just read it twice, okay? Give me a thumbs, wait lang. I'll lower your hands. And now give me a thumbs up or a raise hand button or click the raise hand button if you are now ready. Okay?
Excuse me,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes?
Can you please turn off the chat box before starting the
Okay.
quiz?
Yes, yes, teacher. Thank you for reminding me, Teacher Glamour. Okay. So now I want you to open your cameras because we're having a quiz. Okay, please open your camera. I can see here Freya Elise, Lady Arabella, Franz, Seth, Sean, Freya, Amara, Alejandria, Kate, Kirtia, Aliyah, Robe. How about the others? Please open your...
get a paper or notebook?
Oh, yes, you can write in your paper in your notebook.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So again, I will read the question twice only. I need you to listen very carefully, okay? Okay, so now let's start. So for the instruction is I'll just read it, or you can also read it. So the instruction is read each question carefully and choose the best answer by writing the letter of your choice. So
I'm
it means,
gonna write my name.
yes, right?
Write my name.
Yes.
directly.
Yes, you will just answer directly. No, use capital letters. No, by writing the letter of your choice, just the letter, and it's best
Teacher,
just
we have
write.
to put number 1, number 2, number 3 every time.
Yes, yes. Okay. For number 1, I will read it again. I will read it twice. Number 1, which shows that matter is a liquid. A, it keeps its shape. B, it flows and takes the shape of its container. Letter C, it can be broken into pieces. Letter D, it is hard and strong. Again, number 1, which shows that water is a liquid. A, it keeps its shape. B, it flows and takes the shape of its container. Letter C, it can be broken into pieces. Letter D, it is hard and strong. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're done.
I'm just gonna write the number and then I will write the answer.
Yes, answer letter only. Letter only. Okay, let's proceed to number 2.
Wait, I'm not yet done.
Okay.
I know na.
Okay. Let's go to number 2. Again, I'll just read it twice. Okay, I want you to listen very carefully. Okay. Number 2. How can you tell the difference between a solid and a liquid when you touch them? A, solid keeps its shape, but a liquid flows. B, a liquid keeps its shape, but a solid flows. C, both a solid and a liquid flow. Or letter D, both a solid and a liquid keep their shape. Again, number 2, how can you tell the difference between a solid and a liquid when you touch them? Okay. A solid keeps its shape, but a liquid flows. Letter B, a liquid keeps its shape, but a solid flows. Or letter C, both a solid and a liquid flow? Or letter D, both a solid and a liquid keep their shape? Okay, now we will proceed to number 3. Number 3. Why do rubber bands stretch when pulled?
I'm not yet done, teacher.
Okay, for number 2. Please tell me if you're done so we can proceed.
Proceed na, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. Number 3. Why do rubber bands stretch when pulled? A, because of brittleness. Letter
Teacher, you're
B.
still gonna send this in the Google?
Yes, but I want you to answer it right now. Okay? Para dili namin magsigi og update to answer your quiz. Just send it after na kuan na lang. Okay, number 3 again. Why do rubber bands stretch when pulled? A, because of brittleness. B, because of elasticity. C, because of hardness. Or letter D, because of strength. Again.
So, teacher, you're not gonna send the slides for the exam. You're just gonna send where to send it.
Yes, yes.
So we don't have a lot of things to do.
Yes.
Please send it, teacher. Kaya I skipped
Yes.
number 2.
Okay, let's go back number 2. Okay, answer it. Because we want you to relax after our science class. So you don't have many things to do.
Okay,
Okay.
teacher, you can go now. Thank you.
Okay. Now we will proceed to number 4. Number 4. How is a broken glass different from a gold ring? Again, how is a broken glass different from a gold ring? A, broken glass is brittle while gold is malleable. Letter B, a broken glass is malleable while gold is brittle. C, both are brittle. And letter D, both are malleable. Again, how is a broken glass different from a gold ring? A broken glass is brittle, while gold is malleable. Or B, a broken glass is malleable, while gold is brittle. Letter C, both are brittle.
Teacher, what is the number 3?
And letter D, both are malleable. This is number 3.
No, like, what is the number 3? Wait.
Huh?
What's
What?
What's that?
This is number 3.
Okay. Wait,
Okay.
I'm gonna read some.
Okay, please answer it so that we can proceed na.
Okay, I know na.
Okay, can we proceed to number 5?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Number 5. Which state of matter can be seen but does not keep its own shape? A, solid. B, gas. C, liquid. D, rock. Again, which state of matter can be seen but does not keep its own shape? A, solid. B, gas. C, liquid. D, rock. Okay, we will proceed to number 6. Number 6. The question is, you left a gold ring and a glass cup on the table. You accidentally dropped both. Which one is more likely?
What was the number 5?
Huh? Number 5? This is number 5.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm done.
Oh.
Thank you.
For number 6, again, you left a gold ring and a glass cup on the table. You accidentally dropped both.
Teacher, can
Which
we go back
one?
to number 5?
Yes, Chad?
Can we go back to number 5?
Okay, okay. Are you done? Are you done, friends?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll proceed to number 6. Again, number
Thanks.
6. Okay, again, number 6. I want you to listen very carefully. Okay, I will read it twice. Number 6. You left a gold ring and a glass cup on the table. You accidentally dropped both. So which one is more likely to break easily and why? A. Gold ring because it is hard. B. Glass cup because it is brittle. Letter C. Gold ring because it is elastic. Letter D. Glass cup because it is malleable. Again, you left a gold ring and a glass cup on the table. You accidentally dropped both. Which one is more likely to break easily and why? A. Gold ring because it is hard. B. Gold cup because glass cup because it is brittle. Letter C. Gold ring because it is elastic. Or letter D. Glass cup because it is malleable. Okay, we will now proceed to number 7. Number 7. You pour water into a bottle. What happens to the shape of the water and why? A. Water keeps its shape because it is solid. Or letter B. Water takes the shape of the bottle because it is liquid. Letter C. Water disappears because it is a gas. Or letter D. Water becomes hard because it is strong. Again, you pour water into a bottle. What happens to the shape of the water and why? A. Water keeps its shape because it is solid. B. Water takes the shape of the bottle because it is liquid. Or letter C. Water disappears because it is gas. Or letter D. Water becomes hard because it is strong. Okay, now we will proceed to number 8. Number 8. You are blowing up a balloon. Which property of gas allows the balloon to expand? Again, you are blowing up a balloon. Which property of gas allows the balloon to expand? A. The molecules are tightly packed. B. The molecules are too weak.
Number 7.
Number 7. Please tell me if you're done.
Done.
Okay. Now we'll proceed to number 8. So again, you are blowing up a balloon. Which property of gas allows the balloon to expand? A. The molecules are tightly packed. B. The molecules are too weak to hold shape. C. The molecules move freely and spread out. D. The molecules cannot be compressed. Again, you are blowing up a balloon. Which property of gas allows the balloon to expand? A. The balloons are tightly packed. B. The molecules are too weak to hold shape. Letter C. Molecules move freely and spread out. Or letter D. The molecules cannot be compressed. Now we will go to number 9. Number 9. You mix sugar in water to make lemonade. What property of solid does it show? A. Viscosity, because the liquid flows slowly. B. Dissolving ability, because sugar mixes with water. C. Elasticity, because the liquid stretches. Or letter D.
After this, teacher, can you let's go back to number 8?
Okay, wait, I'll read it first ang number 9 ha. Letter D. Brittleness, because it can break easily. Again, you mix sugar in water to make lemonade. What property of solid does it show? A. Viscosity, because the liquid flows slowly. B. Dissolving ability, because sugar mixes with water. Letter C. Elasticity, because the liquid stretches. Or letter D. Brittleness, because it can break easily. Okay. Please tell me if you're done with number 8 so we can proceed to number 10. Okay. Just tell me if you're done.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Now we'll move on to number 10. Last number. Okay, number 10. A diamond is used in tools for cutting and scratching other material. Which property of solids does this demonstrate? Again, a diamond is used in tools for cutting and scratching other materials. Which property of solids does this demonstrate? A. Elasticity. B. Malleability. C. Hardness. D. Strength.
Done. I woke up, Linad. Done ako!
Okay, if you are done, please take a picture. Again, if you are done, please take a picture.
Teacher, can I picture it later? I don't have
Okay.
a phone here.
Yes.
Teacher, is all of the activities in one thingy?
Yes,
Teacher,
yes,
can
yes.
I also picture
Okay,
it
later.
too?
Okay,
Because,
yes.
because I don't have a guard here. Send it,
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay, so now we will have a follow-up activity. Now, we will have a follow-up activity. At the back of your paper or below your paper, you can write your follow-up activity. For your follow-up,
I will use the below of the paper because there's still a lot.
it's okay. Yes, it's okay. For your follow-up activity, the direction is compare the characteristics of solid, liquid, and gas in the chart. So basically, you will draw the chart and you will compare the characteristics of solid, liquid, and gas in the chart. For example, the state of matter. There you can see the solid, liquid, and gas. And you will also fill in the mass, the volume, and the shape. Okay? Okay? Please write it. And I already posted in the Google Classroom the classwork for the quiz and activity and quiz and follow-up activity. So please take a picture and attach your quiz and your follow-up activity in one, together lang. There.
Teacher, can you post even the question? Teacher, even the question from the other teacher?
I already posted it. Okay. I will let you see. Wait lang.
Teacher, can I take a picture of just one of them and all, like also the question including?
Yes. Much better.
Okay, teacher.
So, okay, I'll let you see Here, I already posted in the Google Classroom. So here, wait for a while. So here, it says quiz and follow-up activity due today. So take a clear photo of your quiz and follow-up activity. I'll edit it. and follow-up activity, then upload it to this classwork for submission. So here,
Teacher.
you can see.
And
Okay,
the
so,
talk.
okay, so there's no
Send
reason,
that in
huh?
the Google Classroom.
What?
You send that in the Google Classroom.
Yes, I already posted this one. Okay, so there's no, wait, I'll edit lang. And follow-up activity. So there's no reason that you cannot attach your follow-up activity and especially your quiz because we answered it kanang together man. Okay? The jewel of this one is today. I want you to send it.
Yeah, can you also post the what you call it the questions? I mean,
Yes, Nara.
Next week, teacher.
Yes.
What will the time when we pass it?
Tonight, 11:59.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? Please, if abot na yung parents, gikan sa work, please tell your mom
class.
to assist you in taking the picture and attaching the
Teacher,
quiz, the follow-up activity. Yes?
why is there a different student inside here?
Yeah, I think they're grade 5. Okay, if you don't have any question, if it's clear to you, just take a picture. Take a picture and send it or submit it in our Google Classroom. Okay, is that clear, grade 3? Can I hear your yes? Can I hear your yes?
Yes.
Okay. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And we hope that you learned something today.
Bye,
teacher.
Goodbye.
You,
Bye,
teacher.
Bye,
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, grade 3.
Bye,
You, teacher.